Welcome all. Myself S. Nandini, pursuing third year in BE in Tyagarajar College of Engineering. My area of interest is mainly power system. First, what is a power system? Power system is a network which will consist of electrical components that will generate the power and uses the power and transmits the power. There is the three stages in the power system, that is generation, transmission and distribution. The power can be generated in different methods. They are classified as hydroelectric power plant, nuclear power plant and thermal power plant. Though the hydroelectric power plant is costlier, but it is environmental friendly. But the thermal power plant and nuclear power plant is not much costlier than a hydroelectric power plant, but it is not an environmental friendly. This shows the layout of typical power system. The power is produced at generating stations and transmitted to consumer through complex network of components, including transmission lines, transformers and switching devices. First, the transmission system. The transmission system interconnects all major generating stations and main load centers in the system. It operates at the highest voltage levels, that is 132 kV. Next, distributions. Mainly we will see about what are the major types about distribution systems here. First, what is a distribution system? The part of the power system that distributes electrical power for local use is called distribution system. Generally, a distribution system is the electrical system between the substation by transmission system and consumers' meters. That is, the power is generated at generating stations. We have received the power to our home. This is the distribution system. It will transmitted via transmission lines, then it will reach us through service mains. Now, as an electrical engineer, we want to know what is the difference between the feeder, distributors and service mains. We will move on further. We want to see about the components of distribution system. First one is distribution substation. Next, feeders, then distribution transformers, then distributor, at last service mains. First, distribution substation. What is a distribution substation? It is the electrical systems which will transfer the power from transmission system to distribution system. Next, we move upon feeder. What is a feeder? A feeder is a conductor which connects the distribution substation to area where power is to be distributed. The current in the feeder is same throughout the length because there is no tappings are taken from the feeder. The main important thing is there is no load connected in the feeder. Next, distribution transformers. What is distribution transformer? It is a step-down transformer in which primary and secondary are delta connected, delta and star connected. It is also termed as service transformer. The output voltage of distribution transformer is 440 volt for three-phase system and 230 volt for single-phase system in India. Mainly, in our homes we are using the single-phase system, that is 230 volt. But where the load is much more needed, they will use three-phase system so that the voltage should be higher than 230. So it will give 440 volt. Next, distributor. Distributor is a conductor from which tappings are taken for the supply to the consumers. There is large number of tappings taken from the distributors. But remember that we will not take any tappings from the feeders as no load are connected to feeder. But in the distributor, we are taking tappings for supply to consumers. Due to this tapping, the current will not be same. At last, service mains. Service mains is a small cable which will connect the distributor to consumer's meter. Thank you.